Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how to customize the Premiere Pro 2022's interface and how to undo it. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's begin. First, as always, open up Premiere Pro to begin. After you are met with the welcome screen, create a new project. After that, you will be confronted by the Premiere Pro's interface. Now you might be asking, how do I customize Premiere Pro's interface? So for example, let's say you want to move one of these 4 panels or make it smaller or bigger. This is how you do it. First, grab an edge on a panel that you want to move on the interface like this. But if you want to resize the panel, what you can do is tap on the panel, and if you want to resize, you need to move the blue line that surrounds your panel now, and you can move this line that's surrounding your panel to your desired size like this. And that's how you customize the Premiere Pro's interface. But let's say you accidentally mess up the Premiere Pro's interface, kind of like this. And there is a fix, and I will show it to you. First, go to the top of the Premiere Pro's interface and select the window. Then select on workspaces. After that, select reset to save layout, and there you go, back to original. And well, that's the end of this video. So I hope you learned something new and educational, but don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time. Bye.